Hello and welcome to this video on how affiliate marketers can leverage AI in content creation. If you're an affiliate marketer, you know how important it is to create engaging content that resonates with your audience. However, with so many competitors out there, it can be challenging to make your content stand out. That's why we're excited to share with you today how you can use AI to create content that drives conversions and helps you succeed as an affiliate marketer. But wait, there's more. Make sure to watch until the end of the video because we have a surprise gift for you that will help you get started with leveraging AI in your content creation process. 1. Generating topic ideas and optimizing for SEO can be a time-consuming process. However, with AI tools, you can quickly generate a list of potential topics to explore. By analyzing search data and social media trends, AI can provide you with insights into what your audience is searching for and what topics are currently popular. In addition, AI can help optimize your content for SEO, ensuring that it ranks higher in search results. 2. Identifying and targeting the right audience. Creating content that resonates with your audience is crucial to driving conversions. With AI, you can identify your target audience and tailor your content to their preferences. By analyzing data from your website, social media, and other sources, AI can help you understand your audience's behavior and interests, allowing you to create content that resonates with them. 3. Creating visually stunning images and videos. Visuals play a crucial role in engaging your audience and keeping them interested in your content. With AI-powered tools, you can quickly create visually stunning images and videos that grab your audience's attention. From image recognition to video editing, AI can help you create content that is both visually appealing and highly engaging. 4. Promoting your content is essential to reaching a wider audience and driving conversions. With the help of AI, you can create targeted ads that reach the right audience at the right time. AI-powered tools can help you optimize your ad campaigns, ensuring that you get the most bang for your buck. 5. Analyzing the performance of your content is crucial to improving your results over time. With AI-powered analytics tools, you can track the performance of your content and identify areas for improvement. By analyzing data such as engagement rates and conversion rates, you can optimize your content for better results and higher conversions. In conclusion, by leveraging AI in your content creation process, you can create engaging content that resonates with your audience and drives conversions. From generating topic ideas to optimizing for SEO, creating visually stunning images and videos, promoting your content, and analyzing performance, AI can help you optimize your content creation process and achieve better results. And don't forget, if you've made it this far, there's a special surprise gift waiting for you to help you get started with AI in your affiliate marketing content creation process. Like we promised in the beginning, get your free gift and surprise now. Learn how to make $100 to $300 per day by checking the link in first comment under this video. So, be sure to check out our surprise and start making money online today. So, what are you waiting for? Start leveraging the power of AI today and take your content creation to the next level.